Here's my favorite healthy creamy chicken. It's so easy and absolutely delicious. Cut your chicken into cubes, marinate with olive oil, garlic powder, paprika, basil, red chili flakes and salt. Mix till well combined. Then for the sauce you need half cup milk, low fat cream cheese, parmesan and seasoning mix you see on screen. Blend it all up till silky smooth. Then cook your chicken for 4 minutes, flip, lower the heat and add the sauce. Handful of spinach, cover for a couple minutes and mix it all together. Let it simmer and thicken for 5 minutes, serve with some rice and trust me, you're gonna love this.